This video will show you how to make a tutu skirt any color you want, any style you want. But first, let's get supplies. So we're at Hobby Lobby and we are going to get material to make the skirt. So for the tutu, the type of material we're using is called Tulle, Tulle. Now Tulle also has, it comes in pre-rolled. The pre-rolled is much easier to just cut the length you want and put it right on the elastic.
Okay guys, so this shirt, we're trying to match the skirt to match these Holly Roll shirts. So this is some black elastic. We have some pink elastic for the waist, scissors, some needles, some tulle for the fabric, and for the colors of these is blue, green, pink, and yellow.
Out of all the supplies listed, we only need 3 supplies. The first supply we need is elastic, we need scissors, and we also need tulle material. So I cut the tulle material horizontally and then I folded each piece vertically. Once I folded the tulle, I wrapped it around the elastic and tied it into a double knot. So I first started with yellow. I cut piece by piece, then I folded each piece as I tied it into a double knot. After putting the yellow on, I then started with green, the same pattern, tied it in a double knot. And you can do whatever color you want. You can do one solid color if you want, but I was going for the rainbow multicolor look. Next, I went ahead and started a new color, blue, just filling in all the spaces. And that's it. You fill in the spaces, fill it up, make it thick as you want. You can make it short, long, or you can layer it. Right here, I added pink glitter color, and it's just add what you want. So just gonna fill it in, more fabric at a time, more fabric at a time to fill up all the spaces and have it thick enough so that it's not too sheer. The good thing about this is that you can be creative and add however you want to add and make it your own. In order to close the skirt, I just simply tied a knot with the loose ends. Depending on the type of elastic you get, depends on how the loose ends will look. Just simply tie it in a knot.